Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please excuse my appearance. I do not feel good. I had a fever this morning. I've been throwing up, but it's been a little bit since I made a video, so I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys what I got in the mail. I got a little card. This is from Tweets. It says, "No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted." Isn't that super cute? And then it says thank you inside with a little personal message, but I'm not gonna read that. But isn't that super cute? Okay, so she sent me some, I don't know how to pronounce this, Marsk, Sydney, London. It is foiled, it's called Foiled Again. It's a pigment. I've never actually used a loose pigment before. Open this up. I'm going to try not to have to edit this video. I really just do not feel good. I do want to show you guys something though, and I'm like pretty excited about it. My subscribers are going up so fast, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. I really, really do. It has one of those little, you know, what do you call them? Powder things, you know, so it doesn't all go falling out. Oh, this is really pretty. Like really, 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 really pretty. I have to do like a little swatch. Ooh, and there she went. Oh my Lord, I love it. Look at that. Hopefully that focuses. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. And it's so sparkly. I love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much, Tweets. That is awesome. I cannot wait to use that. And she also sent me a lip liner, it looks like, which is cool because this shade looks like it would go perfect with a lot of the like nude shades I have. Oh yeah, look how pretty. It's one thing I haven't like gotten was a lip liner. That is so pretty. Thank you so much, Tweets. You really, really, really didn't have to send this to me. I'm going to have her link down below in the description. If you're not already, and I know most of my supporters already are, because she's such an awesome lady. I just love her to death. We email back and forth all the time. Please do go show her some love. Like, she's awesome. She does unboxings, all different kinds of things. So please do go check her out. And the other thing I wanted to show you guys is something I just got in the mail today for my next giveaway. I'm not exactly sure when it's going to be, but I thought these were really pretty, and I was going to keep them for myself, but after like doing like a lot of decluttering and stuff, like I decided I just have too many. But I got these brushes, and like I'll open it up just to show you. They're actually like really pretty, and like if you love pink, like, in which who doesn't love pink, like you will absolutely love this. It's by BH Cosmetics, and it is like so freaking pretty. Like, look at those brushes. Aren't those just like really pretty? I thought like, wow. They are really, really, really pretty. But I'm not going to be selfish. I'm going to put these in my giveaway. And also, I just ordered, I forget what it's called. It's a BH Cosmetics palette. I just thought, I guess I would kind of like stick with the BH theme for now. Oh, it's called the Supernova. Palette. So I got the Supernova palette for in the giveaway also. I think it's pretty cool looking. And it's kind of like galaxy, you know, themed. And this is kind of out there too. So I thought that would be nice. But you guys, I really don't feel too well. I want to go lay back down. Thank you guys for watching, and please do go show Tweet some love. I really appreciate it, girl. I love, 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 love the pigment. Like, it's awesome. I'm definitely going to be using that, like, probably as soon as I feel better enough to do my makeup. Yes, so definitely go show her some love, and I will see you guys soon.